see how to define an internal table. So to define internal table, we have various ways we can define. We will discuss two types here. Okay. The first type is, it's easy one that already you guys are aware. Begin of, so internal table name here 80. You know work area definition, right? The same way we should define, but a small addition to be added. That's it. Suppose if it is a MP number, okay, type C, okay, you mention it is 10 characters. And then MP name 15 characters, type C. End of IT ITAB. So this is what work area definition, right? Okay, this is what work area definition. So now how to make this work area into internal table? A small addition, we should use occurs 0 or 1 2 3 like that, you should use it. Okay, so if you just add this occurs, this declaration became an internal table. That's it. So now this is an internal table which has two columns called employee number and employee name, which can store several records. Okay, there is no limit. I mean, limit in the sense like, I mean, number of records, but there is a maximum memory called 8 KB memory. 8 KB memory, an internal table can hold it. Those many records it can hold at a time. That much big variabilities. 8 KB. Now, see, basically, whenever an internal table has been created, what will happen? Okay, so that we will see now. Okay, so internal table, okay, has one more feature, that is automatically it will be assigning a memory to internal table. So assume that when you initialize like this, so some 10 rows of memory has been allocated. Okay, so 10 rows. Okay, once you fill up that 10 rows, automatically 10 more records memory will be allocating to the internal table. That you will not be mentioning anywhere in the declaration. So internal table has its feature. Okay, that is what. So this occurs, says that it is an internal table, and this number says that how much initial memory to be allocated to this internal table. Okay, again it is a system dependent. You can utilize 1 2 3 like that also. Okay, generally we will use 0. Okay, so it will be automatically assigning. Okay, assume that if it is assigned initially 50 records, that 50 records, once it is gets filled, okay, automatically another 50 records it will be assigned to your internal table. So that is what the significance of the internal table. So another variables will not be having this kind of feature like single variable and structures. These are all fixed. Okay, fixed length will be there and fixed data only can accommodate. But internal table will be having dynamic memory. So dynamically the memory will be assigned. Guys, I have unmuted. Can you able to guys? I mean, unmute you. I mean, I have muted everyone. You guys are able to unmute and talk. Can someone try?
Yes, Raju.
Oh yeah, please go on. So you guys understood what is internal table? What we are talking? We have any questions? Take it up now. Or once we have written the program also, we will take it. So this is the declaration. Now we will see how to define. We have seen already, and how to assign records into an internal table. We are going to see now. The first is inserting data means first we need to insert header. Okay, if you define this way, the internal table name, body name, and the header name both are same. Okay, yes, header name and body name both will be same only. Okay, if you define this way by using occurs. Okay, so that time what will happen? We need to fill the work area first. Header is nothing but work area only. Number okay. 1 yeah. MP equal to, can I have a name?
Aravind.
Okay. Now I have filled the work area. That is called header. Now, how to assign a record into internal table? We will be using append. Append is a statement which will be used to assign record into internal table from from header or from work area. I have 2 is a syntax. Okay. Now again internal table. Okay. So this is how a row will be append to internal table. This much you should write. Okay. So one more record. One more name we have.
Tony.
Okay, like this, 2 records we have assigned. Given one more, you can assign one more. One more name.
Manish.
Okay. So 3 records, assume that it's enough. So now I want to display internal table. Okay, so that means that I want to process record by record and then display. Okay, you guys know how to display work area. Am I right? By using a write statement, work area fields, work area hyphen, field name. You guys, you know that we have tried in last programs. Now we have an internal table. Internal table will be having multiple records. Assume that this internal table having 3 records. How we can process 3 records? Okay. For that, again same. So now this, if you see this is reading, right? So record by record, header has to read it. Okay. So for that we have a statement called loop statement. Loop at internal table body into work area or a header. So loop and end loop, how it works, first record of this internal table will be reading first in first iteration, and then it will be sending to work area, and then inside loop whatever statement is there that will be executing, and then it goes to end loop, and again it will go to loop. Okay, the next second record it goes to work area, and then whatever it is there inside loop, that will be executing, and again in loop, then again it will go. So like this till end of the record, this loop statement will be executing. So now we are going to write item the number MP name. Okay, so that's it. So first time, the first record will be writing, and then second time, second record will be writing. Third time, third record will be writing. Got it? Any confusion here? Now we will be executing this program. Yes, the same line I got it. All three records. How can I get it record by record? Yes, I'm asking you guys.
Slash.
Where to be given slash?
After completing the first record.
After completing a first record. Okay? Or else even front also you can. Ideally, front will be good. Got it?